Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from, along with the orange line down there. I'm not going to talk about that just because it's not really relevant right now, but from the big picture it is. So if you're curious more on that, you can just go back and watch the video from the 25th. But really, update's probably not the right word for this video, more so confirmation. Confirmation of what? Well, the levels that I talked about in yesterday's video, especially this level right up here at 0054, which I talked about as resistance. And you can see this morning, actually the price was able to get up above it, but this was not a true break, because a true break has two parts. The first part, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price actually stay above the level that it broke above? So can it maintain the break? And in this case, no, it couldn't maintain the break. Price fell back below it. And then you can see tried again on several more occasions to get back up above it and couldn't quite do it. So 0054 definitely confirmed as a level of resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying 0054 is impossible to break or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why it was acting as support, especially when you factor in, yesterday's price movement. And again, right here, sure, the price broke up above it, but the price could not maintain up above it. So, 0054 definitely a thorn in the side of the bulls right now in terms of allowing them to get that true break. So first bit of, confirmation, 0054, without question, is where the sellers are currently hanging out at. And that is, going to be, the important level of resistance going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. On the flip side of things, 005 right here, this green line has been confirmed as support. Again, sure, the price broke down below it, but just because the price was below it, it's all about, was this a true break to the downside? No, it wasn't, because the bears could not maintain the break. They got it down below, but that didn't last very long, and you can see the price, snap back upwards. And then the remainder of the day, the closest the price got to, back testing this area of support was at 0051 right there. So all in all, 005 has proven to be a good solid area of support. One bit of house cleaning I am going to do is just get rid of this green line here. Yeah, it pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion with clutter from annotations all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. In the event 005 cannot be is broken, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, 005 confirmed as support, 0054 confirmed as resistance. So grab your popcorn and let's see who can ultimately win out of this current battle. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.